Hello students, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to discuss about the question which is asked in NEET 2025. Okay, so stop this video and drop the correct option in the comment box. Okay, so now you can see here the question is cardiac activities of the heart is regulated by. So what are the activities or cardiac activities of the heart, which structures or which part of our body is controlling these? So first one is the nodal tissue. Correct, nodal tissue is controlling our what is the cardiac activity, that is producing the signals for the contraction and relaxation of heart, that is the SAN is producing. So correct. A special neural system in the medulla oblongata. Correct. Okay, so medulla oblongata is having the special neural center which is controlling the cardiac activity of our heart. So that's why it is also correct. Next, adrenal medullary hormones. Okay, so adrenal medulla is secreting two types of hormones, that is the epinephrine and norepinephrine, that is collectively known as the catecholamines. So these catecholamines is secreted during the emergency conditions, so that's why it will increases the heart rate. So whenever you are in emergency conditions, at that time adrenal medulla is secreting the catecholamines. These catecholamines will help in the increasing the blood pressure or cardiac activity. Along with that, it will increases the respiratory rate. Fourth one is the adrenal cortical hormones. No, adrenal cortical hormones are not having any what is that function in the regulation of cardiac activity. So that's why which option is correct? Third option is correct, that is A, B, C only. Okay, so third option is correct. So if you want to solve like these questions with me, so you have to follow, like and subscribe my YouTube channels. Okay, thank you. We will see in the next video with next question. Thank you. Bye.